Hello and welcome to your next car and a walk around video for the 2017 67 Reg F33 335D M Sport Saloon. The vehicle is presented in the mineral grey, features a full Your Next Car and performance body styling kit alongside some superb and sought after BMW options. The alloy wheels for the car are a set of brand new 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels with 4 brand new tyres. Sitting just behind those, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this 335D we have got the full BMW M Sport Plus package. It is a facelift model, so we've got the LED headlamps. Down the side of the car you can see it's a superb clean and tidy example. We've added the satin side vinyls, matching sidebars. You'll also see on the rear windows the sun protection glazing as part of that M Sport Plus package. It comes with a full black Dakota leather, and both passengers and drivers front come with the electric lumbar and heated seat options. All of the interior for this vehicle has been kept in great condition. It does come with the magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox alongside the incredible xDrive 4-wheel drive system. Again, as part of the M Sport Plus package, you'll see the Harman Kardon surround sound, which gives a great amount of punch to your interior experience. 3-seat Isofix rear bench, and this one also comes with the very sought after split folding seats in the rear, as you can see there. And again, everything is exceptionally clean and tidy. Also has the central folding armrest and a lovely darkened M Sport headlining. At the back of the car, again, you can see these alloy wheels really do suit not only the 3 Series shape, but also just how nicely mineral grey works together. Opted to go for the high gloss rear spoiler and matching rear diffuser on this vehicle. And again, we'll show you the boot space for the 3 Series. And as we've shown you, it does of course have that split folding seat, so you can further extend on that room. Moving on to the driver's side, where again, we can show that this is a really clean and tidy example of the very nice 335D model of 3 Series. And we'll hop on board and run you through a couple of this vehicle's interior features and details, beginning with the professional wide navigation and media screen. Starting the vehicle up and beginning with the sat nav. This is a really user-friendly system, also has real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on the fastest route possible. This 3 Series has covered just over 29,000 miles. Does also come with a heated M Sport steering wheel, as you can see there, which is going to be great especially this time of year. Cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. Going back into the main menu, we'll check out and show you the service requirements and service history. Next oil service is due in 4,000 miles time, and also does include full BMW service history. In terms of keeping you connected, you can see there does come with telephone and Bluetooth audio. Multimedia, you've got DAB, online entertainment, the music collection, and AUX and USB inputs alongside that Bluetooth audio we've already showed you. So there is a walk around video for another fantastically presented, very nice spec F33 325D M Sport. I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around and of course been able to find it useful. If you would like some more information on the car, you can of course follow the links down below in the description. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see yourselves very, very soon. Thank you, bye bye.